Hi everyone, welcome back to our React tutorial. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into one of the fundamental hooks in React, which is a use state. If you are new here, don't worry, we will walk you through step by step explaining how use state works and why it's such a powerful tool for managing state in your React application. So what is use state? The use state hook is a function provided by a React that allows us to add state to a functional component. Unlike class component where a state is an object, use state allow us to manage individually piece of state independently. Let's switch to our code editor and see how use state work in action. Here I have a simple functional component called counter. We want this component to keep track of a count value and display it to the user. We start by importing use state from React. So here I write import use state and from React. Next, within our component, we call the use state function and pass in the initial value for our state variable. So here I write cost count and then here I write set count use state and initial value is 0. Use state return an array containing two elements, the current state value and a function update that state. We use array destructuring to assign those elements to variable count and set count. Then we simply render JSX that display the current value of a count. So here I write p and in this click and here I pass this count variable and after this click time. And next we provide a button that when clicked increment the count using the set count function. So here I write a button and in this I pass click me, then I use on click event and in this I write callback function and here I update the value of this count. So here I use this set count function and in this I update a value. So here I write count plus 1. That's mean when I click on this button the value of count will be increased to 1. So here is initial value 0, but when we click on this button the value will be incremented. Okay, so now I open my browser. Here you can see click 0 time and when I click on this button, so here you can see I click this button, you can see here value will be updated to a 1 and again I click this button, you can see now I click button 2 times and like that you can change a value in your application with the help of use state. Next we see benefit of using use state. One of the key benefit of use state is that it simplifies state management in functional component. It eliminates the needs for class component and make our code more concise and readable. Additionally, use state encourages the use of multiple state variables, making it easier to organize and manage state within our component. We will explore more use case and best practice for use state in future videos, so make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated.